Hello fine people of the internet, welcome to How to Webmaster. Today I am testing out the newest version of Chat GPT version 4, which is supposed to be a lot smarter than previous versions. I will be running a bunch of experiments on Chat GPT and AI tools, and will be posting more tips and tutorials later, so please subscribe for more. First, I will ask what kind of complex things can GPT-4 do that previous version 3.5 cannot do. Right away you can see that it is referring to itself as I am GPT 3.5. It is not smart enough or self-aware that it is version 4. This is quite strange to me, even though Chat GPT is only trained with data up until September of 2021. But still, it should at least know what version it is of itself. I am now just going to straight up ask if you are version 4 or not. Okay, this is still referring to itself as version 3.5. Now as a user, how confident am I to say that I am actually chatting with version 4 when it is calling itself 3.5? Alright guys, this was just a fun little review video about Chat GPT version 4 or 3.5 or whatever. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on Chat GPT and more AI tools reviews. Thanks for viewing and have a good day.